guys, this is for the freestanding Hoffman electrical enclosures and floor stands. There's two parts to it. The floor stand is a separate part and the cabinet is a separate part. First thing we want to do, load them in. They're both going to be under electrical cabinets, Pentair in this example. And we're going to load each one at a time. You have to make sure you use load family on these. These are type-based catalogs. So once they load, you can choose the actual cabinet size you want. I'm going to be selecting all of them just for this instance. You can easily see the panel sizes are located here, and then the numbers are also in the part number themselves for the cabinets. And bring all those in. So now there's two ways that you can insert one of these in your project. The electrical equipment button or your standard place component button will work as well. I'm going to go ahead and just use the electrical equipment. I selected all of our sizes so we get the full entire range in, and I'm just going to drop one on the screen. So now if we take a section through this guy, flip that up, flip it open, we can see our wonderful little Hoffman stand sitting here. So one of the options that are on the properties palette for this is going to be your sanitary legs. If you want sanitary legs, go ahead and check that on. That'll automatically bump your cabinet up 12 inches and account for the leg heights. The other thing about that is you will see on the properties palette the alternate description will also include the adjustable sanitary legs if they are checked on. If they are unchecked, the name will go away. So that's pretty much all there is to the stands. Of course you can tape swap these to any size of cabinet. All the functionality is all going to work the same. Now when we're ready to use the freestanding leg kits for it, we're going to load family again. These have to be done with load family because of the type-based catalogs. Pentair floor stand kit, and again we get our pop-up dialog that includes all sizes. Now the main differences between these legs are literally the width, the height, and the depth of each foot independently. The kits are ordered in a package of 2, so the actual floor-to-floor center spread is based on the detailer. So we've got all of these loaded in. They're going to be under the same categories, electrical equipment. The way these get placed now is there's no relation to the family, but at least the insertion is the same, and the insertion is the back middle of the cabinet. Drop that in on there. Now if we go to our 3D view, we will see that these legs are nested inside the family. I can't make, without having these hosted, I can't make a relation between the two. So what you want to do is take your depth of your stand, which the part number tells you is 0, 6, 12. 12 is the width, 6 the height. You select the cabinet, and then you'll have to make that offset up yourself. Just offset the base of the cabinet up whatever distance you're looking for. Now at this point we need to match our cabinet dimensions. So this stand is obviously a bit too small, so we'll just pick the right one out of the drop down. I don't know which one it is off the top of my head. There we go. And then on these sides, since they are user adjustable, just align these planes to the family. There we go. And once you make an applicable size range, the feet width is based off the cabinet width, you will get the proper description and the proper part number on the alternate description for these legs. And as you see with our 6-inch offset, say we need to go up to a 12-inch offset, We just swap the types of the legs. Look for a 12 by 24, and life is good. Our description's updated. It matches the correct scanned information. Should have everything we need on this guy. Internally, part numbers are being applied, so you've got an actual proper part number that we can schedule or do whatever we need to do with down in the future. If you have any questions or comments about these at all, or any ways that these could be made a little bit more functional, please do not hesitate to give me a holler. Thank you.